Hi, I'm Sean with Maneful, and I'm here to tell you about the essential bitters that every home bartender needs to have in their home bar. So I'm going to start with the most popular Angostura bitters. These are also known as aromatic bitters. You're going to find these in a lot of different cocktail recipes. We feature these in 12 of our 52 cocktail recipes. And if you go to a cocktail bar or you're reading a recipe and it doesn't call for a specific type of bitters, this is what they're talking about. They're talking about aromatic bitters, and the most popular brand is Angostura. The second one you're going to want to pick up is Peychaud's bitters. Now, Peychaud's bitters have this really bright, vibrant red color. They're most popular or well known for the Sazerac. That is going to be featuring Peychaud's bitters, but then you also have things like the Rob Roy, which has Peychaud's bitters. In our fundamental cocktails recipe card deck, this actually appears 5 times. And so if you're looking for your second type of bitters to buy, this is what you're going to go with. Finally, you're going to want to pick up some orange bitters. This is actually an Angostura brand orange bitter, which is why it looks very similar to the Angostura that I just showed you, but it has the orange label. There's also other popular ones like Fee Brothers or Scrappy Bitters. And so this is going to appear in things like the Black Manhattan. We actually have it in 2 of our 52 fundamental cocktails, but it appears in a lot of different cocktail recipes. And if you're looking for your third type of bitters to buy, orange bitters is the way to go. So go out, buy some bitters, start making drinks at home. Do you think I should say essential bitters they should have and every bartender should have in their collection, or whatever? I'll just start talking.